Living in a small apartment does not limit your ability to be eco-friendly. With the right habits, even the smallest home can run with less waste, less energy use, and more comfort. Today we will look at simple habits that fit small spaces and make everyday life cleaner and easier. Organizing for an eco home. Habit 1. Keep one shelf for eco-essentials. Dedicate one small shelf to reusable bags, jars, a bottle, and a travel mug. When everything is in one place, you build better habits and avoid clutter. Habit 2. Use vertical space. In a small apartment, the best way to stay organized is to move upward. Hooks, wall shelves, and small racks keep items visible and easy to reach. Habit 3. Keep only what you use often. Minimalism becomes practical in small apartments. When you keep fewer items, you reduce waste and avoid buying duplicates. Kitchen habits that save space and reduce waste. Habit 4. Use compact storage tools. Glass jars, cloth bags, and small baskets keep the kitchen organized and reduce plastic. Reused jars save space and work for nearly everything. Habit 5. Buy smaller portions. Buying only what fits your storage prevents spoilage. Smaller portions keep your kitchen fresh and reduce food waste. Habit 6. Try a small compost setup. Even a tiny kitchen can support composting. A sealed container or an odor-resistant countertop bin keeps scraps out of the trash. Habit 7. Cook simple meals with fewer ingredients. Fewer ingredients mean less storage space, less packaging, and quicker cooking. Eco-cleaning routine. Habit 8. One multi-purpose cleaner. A single cleaner made from mild soap or vinegar replaces many bottles. This saves space and reduces plastic waste. Habit 9. Reusable cloths instead of paper towels. A few cloth towels cover all your cleaning needs and take far less storage than bulky paper towel packs. Laundry and bath habits. Habit 10. Air dry indoors. A small folding rack fits most apartments. Air drying reduces energy use and extends the life of your clothes. Habit 11. Use concentrated detergent. Concentrated detergent bottles take less space and last longer. Refill stations help reduce plastic waste. Habit 12. Choose simple bathroom essentials. A bar of soap, a bamboo toothbrush, and a reusable razor cover most daily needs without clutter. Energy habits for small apartments. Habit 13. Use natural light. Small rooms brighten quickly. Open curtains during the day to reduce electric use. Habit 14. Unplug small devices. Unplug chargers, small appliances, and electronics when they are not needed. This keeps your energy use steady. Habit 15. Choose LED bulbs. LED bulbs use less energy and last longer. Replacing even a few helps reduce your footprint. Bringing nature indoors. A small apartment becomes calmer with a few plants. Herbs, pothos, and snake plants require little space and improve the look and feel of any room. Living eco-friendly in a small apartment is about smart habits rather than big changes. Start with one corner of your home and build outward from there. These small steps create a cleaner, more organized space and a lighter footprint on the planet.